Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a super realistic AI vlog using Google VEO3. The process is simple and we will start by generating an image with ChatGPT, then move into VEO3 to bring it to life as a vlog style video. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and then just type a clear and creative prompt to generate the base image for your vlog. For example, I write my prompt like this. Create a young man vlogging with handle camera like this. And then ChatGPT will generate the image for you. And if there a mistake like mine like this, the image still has a camera like this. Or if you are not satisfied, you can just tweak your prompt and regenerate until you're happy. Like this. And once you find the best one, just save it and we will use it as starting point for our video. Next, still in ChatGPT, generate a detailed video prompt for Google VEO3. In this tutorial, I will use Gemini, so just make a video prompt for Gemini VEO3. For example, you could write like this, make a prompt to generate 8-second vlogs on VEO3, and then ChatGPT will make a prompt, and when you're happy with it, just copy the final video prompt, and then just go to Google Gemini. Just copy this prompt, and then go to Gemini, and log in with your Google account, and then just upload your image that you generate before, and then just paste the prompt in here. And make sure you already choose video tools to generate the video. And then after that, just click generate. And in just a few moments, you will see your static image transform into a realistic AI vlogs video like this. Like this. Okay, let's try to play the video.
Guys, just out here in the city today. It's so bright and beautiful. Can't wait to share more with you. Let's go. Guys, just out here in the city today.
And then you can repeat the same steps to generate more clips. Then just join them together in CapCut or any video editor. And once you're satisfied, just export your final video and it's ready to use. And okay, that's it. You just need a realistic AI vlogs using Gemini VEO3 and ChatGPT. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.